Hello viewer, we are going to change and choose the visuals there, then make the further. Now we have the different things here, so let's generate it. Here we have the different options. Then we will create a shape on the half of the shape there. It's a radical design, and there is an elliptical shape. We will have that. Now there is the other one. Choose that option. So let's make further as well.